Hi everyone, welcome, and I want to talk about day 2 of our Palm Springs event, Prosperity Strategy. Day 2, oh my gosh, investing in real estate. You know, I work with real estate agents all day long, and many of them have not taken advantage of investing in real estate. There's so many different kinds of investments. There's so many ways to win with investing, and there are some big things you got to be very careful. Also, in our changing economy, in our changing landscape of how people are living today, real estate investments have changed, and you got to be at the forefront of that information. This is going to be a powerful day because if you have ever even been remotely thinking about investing in real estate, you cannot miss this day. You have to know how to find great real estate investments, how to take care of them, manage them, how to help them grow, how to leverage them, how to duplicate them and do it again. It's a philosophy that once you learn it and you apply it in your life, it will give you a level of financial peace that you have never felt before. So come with me, learn how to invest right. Also, co-teaching that is going to be my incredible a client I've had for years, someone I've been coaching for, it seems forever, who has actually done the work. He has taken advice. He's gone and done the investing. He's found out what works for him. He has a beautiful, successful portfolio of investments that he has learned over the years of what works for him. So please join us. We cannot wait. 3 full days, you guys, power pack. Come and join us. Can't wait. Take care. Bye-bye.